Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a mini Dollar Tree haul. So if you want to see what I picked up, of course, just keep on watching. So I don't really remember the products that I picked up. I think it's some things that I ran into at my local Dollar Tree, a lot of pinky kind of items. It's actually something that my grandma had purchased. She went with us to the Dollar Tree. She bought this. I was really eyeing these out. They didn't have any pink ones, so I didn't end up purchasing any more of these, but this is so cute. I don't know who is the person that I watched on YouTube. They actually picked one of these up and they ended up putting like perfume bottles and stuff in here just as a little display piece. This is going to be so cute. She ended up just giving it to me because she didn't know what to do with it. Or I could put like my beauty blenders in here as well. I don't know. So many possibilities, but this is so cute. And basically this is just like a decoration for like parties or whatever. But again, it's just going to be a little display piece for me. I think it's so cute. As I mentioned, the products in this haul are going to be very pinky. So if you're into that, you're going to be really excited. First off, we have the Bolero whipped body butter. So I was so excited to see these. These are so cute. They're so small. And then the color is stunning. It says it's crafted with fresh watermelon and aloe to instantly hydrate and boost skin's natural glow. So it's just a cute little jar of body butter. Girl, somebody got into this and opened it. I should have checked before purchasing, but I don't remember opening it and putting my finger in there. So it doesn't smell like anything. I think I'm gonna have to toss. Like, I don't want to be that girl, but if somebody else went in and like got some of the body butter, I don't know. It was literally $125, so it's not like the biggest of deals, but I don't feel comfortable now. I'm sad. But they did have other versions. I'll have the picture on the screen. I post makeup finds on my Instagram and my TikTok, so those are probably already up. But yeah, they had some other ones. I think there was like three of these at my Dollar Tree. I'm so sad that I didn't check it, but I know for sure that wasn't me that dug in there, so I'm kind of gonna toss that. Next we have this product from Sassy Chic. This is their eyelash case with mirror. I thought the packaging was so adorable. I went ahead and chose the pink one with the little cherries on them. Again, this is a eyelash holder, which also comes with a mirror, which I think is amazing, especially if you travel a lot. I think this is gonna be a like handy product for you just to carry around your different types of lashes without having different boxes and stuff. I'm really sad that the lotion was open. I can't believe it. So there's a look at that. I think this is the most beautiful packaging ever. Let's see how it opens. Oh, this is so cute. Comes with the mirror and the 3 slots for your lashes. I think this is so adorable. It definitely feels like well made. This is so cute. Definitely super excited about this purchase. I was so happy to run into these at my Dollar Tree. We have 2 of the Be Color Desert Bronzer and Blush products. So we have the first one here. This one says it's cookie scented. Basically, these are little dupes of the Physicians Formula collections. And then we have the Desert Bronzer Cupcake scented product. I've been seeing these all over TikTok and Instagram and everywhere. I think these are adorable and I'm so happy to have had these available at my Dollar Tree. So I'm not gonna go ahead and open these just yet because I want to do another full face of Dollar Tree soon, and I kind of want the packaging, but so cute. Maybe, yeah, because I think if I swatch them, they're gonna get all messed up and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep them in the packaging for now, but you guys will be seeing that soon. So definitely give this video a like if you want to see it even faster. I can definitely get that done. And then I found some products I honestly wasn't expecting. I got 2 lip glosses from the Be Pure lip gloss with Pom Pom collection. It comes with 2 little lip glosses. The first one we have, they don't really have any specific names to them, but it says directions: apply as desired for beautiful lips. That's it. That's the directions. So it's so cute. Comes with a little lip gloss. This is definitely something you can put on your car keys or, you know, your house keys or whatever. It comes with a little pom-pom, which I think is adorable. You can hang this from your purse. Like, it's just so adorable. There's a look at the first lip gloss. Again, the pom-pom is adorable. It's so cute. Oh, it smells like vanilla. That smells so good and it's so adorable. I might use these as like display or like decoration in my room. And then we have the dark pink one. Let me go ahead and open it. I think they did such a great job at keeping these from being stolen and like swatched. Well, who knows? Maybe they swatched them. Hopefully not. Now I'm scared. But this is the dark pink one, again with the little pom-pom. Smells the exact same. These are just like clear little, I think there's a like, it says lip gloss, but I think you can definitely use this as a lip oil. These are so cute. I'm so happy with this purchase. They're so adorable, so girly. So if you wanted these, they have them at the Dollar Tree. And lastly, this was definitely a like impulse product that just kind of pulled and added it to this haul. But I went ahead and picked up this little leopard print bag. It comes with 2 little bags in here, a small one and a like medium sized one. These are the Sassy Chic cosmetic bags, and it comes in 2 pieces, as I mentioned. These are just so adorable, and I'm definitely going to be using these for my purse, or even like, I don't know, whenever I travel, whatever. I think these are adorable. I'm going to keep them together for now so I don't lose track of them, but I think this is the most beautiful little like print, and I thought it was a great addition to this pink Dollar Tree haul. So if you like the video, of course, give this video a thumbs up so I can keep making them, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.